neighbor, would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a neighborly day in this neighborhood, a neighborly day for a beauty. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I've always wanted to have a neighbor just like you. I've always wanted to live in a neighborhood with you. So let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, we might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? And won't you be my neighbor? Hello, neighbor. Welcome to my neighborhood.
Good morning, I'm Dan Kingsley with the Realty Edge team, and I'm just wanting to talk to you guys a little bit about something that might happen to you in this fall time where we have warm days and cool evenings and you have steel siding. If that's the case, you might hear some weird noises that sound a little bit like either raindrops on the side of your house, maybe like in between the house and the siding, or it might also sound like rodents scratching around in there. And so I have a recording of one today that I want to share with you guys. This does come up once in a while, especially if somebody just bought a house before fall and it has steel siding. And really what it comes down to is that heating and cooling of that metal, it tends to make an expansion contraction sound that sounds a lot like scratching and popping. So check this out. I hope if this affects you, it explains a little bit about what's going on and you're less worried about your house. Or if you know anybody who said that something's going on with rodents in their house and they have metal siding, please share this with them so they can hear it and it might calm them a little bit. So anything else I can do to help, I'm always here. Please feel free to reach out if you got any questions. We're always here at the Realty Edge team to help you out.
Thanks so much for taking time to watch this, and I hope you got something out of it. I hope you have a great day and tune in next time.